Hello guys, this is the NHL games between Carolina Hurricanes. This is between Carolina Hurricanes and Las Vegas Golden Knights. Look at the Las Vegas Golden Knights and Carolina Hurricanes. It's 4-0. But look, there's something special here, okay? It's coming. Look at the change. Look at the Carolina Hurricane change. Look, William Carrier, Sean Guttersberger, Eric Robinson, Jake Roslovich, Sean Walker. These players, they came to the Carolina Hurricanes. Look at the players. Jake Enzel, he moved to the Tampa Bay Lightning. Stefan Nozan, Brad Pacey, Brady Skj, Trevor Termanian, they all change. What? Because Carolina Hurricanes, they want to win the Stanley Cup. Look at the change. Look, this is a big change. So today, guys, I also watched the Hockey Hall of Fame, Le Temple de Renommée. It's in French, Le Temple de Renommée de Hockey Hall of Fame. Oh, it was crazy. It was very emotional. It was about German Renick. Yeah, German Renick was very emotive, and it was about Shea Weber. It was about Colin Campbell, the vice president of hockey operation in the NHL, and it was also about David Paul. He was general manager for almost 35 years, 26 years. He was general manager for Nashville Predators and 9 years or maybe 14 years for Washington Capitals. So I watched it. Yeah, it was good. It was good. It was interesting. The Hockey Hall of Fame. But I couldn't film. I couldn't put video about the Hall of Fame today. But I put maybe some article. I'll share some article on Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, Las Vegas, yeah, they won the Stanley Cup in 2023. Yeah, they won in 2020. They won the Stanley Cup 2 years ago. So Carolina Hurricanes, they want to win the Stanley Cup also because it's been like 4 or 5 years that they qualify for the in the how can I say the Association of Eastern Association and the Eastern Association. The final of Eastern final.